Okay, so today we are going to prepare a very interesting project, a file alarm. And before starting this project and explaining this project, I would like to introduce something about why we require this project, right? So in our industries or in as well as at schools also, there are some areas which are more prone to catching fires. So it becomes very important that a device should be set up in such high risk areas so that we can avoid from hazards caused by the fires. Okay, so in this topic we are going to discuss about how to prepare a fire alarm, and this is a very simple project, and the circuit diagram is also very simple. I will explain one by one its component, what are the components required to fulfill this in making this project. Okay, so to make this project we require following components such as neon bulb, okay, neon bulb, then buzzer. Buzzer is nothing but a small speaker, okay. Then to power this circuit we require cell or battery. Then also connecting wires, then a switch, and the last a cardboard on which we can assemble all these components. Okay, so most of the things you are quite familiar, I hope. Main thing is that what is a neon bulb, how it works. Okay, so let me explain the working of the neon bulb. Basically, in a normal bulb, what you see, there is a tungsten wires. Okay, but in neon bulb, you can see a bimetallic strip. Bimetallic strip is there. Okay, these are the terminals of the neon bulb. Okay, so these are nothing but the bimetallic strips. These are bimetallic strips. Okay, basically this is made up of two components, two elements, one coated with other components. Okay, so why we require a bimetallic strip in such a neon bulb is that if we heat, if this neon bulb gets heat from the surroundings, okay, suppose that in case of fire, right? So the property of this bimetallic strip is that it will expand, and it gets connected to other bimetallic strip. This one, okay, it gets converted to it gets connected to this other strip. So this is how the neon bulbs work. Now the question arises: how you will get a neon bulb, a simple neon bulb? In the market, you will get a starter. This is a starter. Okay, this is basically used in tube lights, right? But in conventional tube lights, you will get all these starters to switch on the tube lights, normal tube lights. But nowadays, these are not common tube lights because these such tube lights are replaced by LED tube lights, right? In the LED tube, you will not need, there is no need of starter. Okay, so if you open this starter, okay, you will get two components in this starter, right? One is capacitor and other is neon bulb. This is the neon bulb. Okay, both are parallelly connected to each other. Okay, so this is for our purpose. Okay, so let me draw a simple circuit how we will make this fire alarm. First of all, we require a cell. So this is power supply. These are the positive and negative are the terminals of the cells. Then we require a switch. Switch is needed because in case suppose that there is no case of switch is required, because suppose that you don't want to make your project consume power. So in that case we can switch off the this circuit. Okay. So then next is this one is a neon bulb, right? And if there is fire, so to alert us we require a buzzer. Buzzer is a speaker. Buzzer is a speaker. Okay, this is the switch, this is power supply, this is buzzer, and this one is neon bulb. Okay, this is a very quite simple project, and you can easily prepare at home also, right? Okay, so if the switch is connected, means at on position, okay, at initial condition, if suppose that no fire is there, okay, so the strips, bimetallic strips are open to each other, not close to each other. So no current will be going to pass through this circuit. As you all know that current passes only when there is a closed path for the current to flow through it. Okay, so at initial conditions there is a gap between the bimetallic strips, so no current is there. Suppose that if you want to make this buzzer beep, so for this we require a lighter or something, so that something to heat up this neon bulb. So in that case we will just bring some heat near to it or some lighter, okay, gas lighter. So its bimetallic strip gets heated, okay. So and then it is going to expand. So in case of expansion, it gets connected to this other part of the bimetallic strip. Okay. So with the help of this, there is a closed path and there is a current flow from this power supply in this circuit. And if current flows, then obviously the buzzer beeps. So this is a very simple project which can be prepared at home also. Okay. Other methods are also there. We from where we can make such projects is that, like replacing this neon bulb is photodiode. Photodiode is basically used in line follower robots. Robotics. In robotics, some sensors are used. But we are making this project with the help of neon bulb. Okay. So now next I will going to show you how we can prepare these projects. Okay. I am going to show you a video how we can how we can make these projects. Okay. I hope you like this video. Okay. है।